Today, we're shooting in San Diego.
Starting route to La Jolla.
So we just got to San Diego and look who I found. My boy right here. That's my boy Nick. He's a videographer. I'll link his work in the description below if you want to check him out. So we're down here filming for LensGuard and we're gonna get some B-roll. If you guys haven't seen LensGuards, I'm gonna put it right up here on the screen. They have some sick camo and carbon fiber vinyl wraps for the lenses. So we're gonna get some of them on our lenses and we're gonna do some B-roll. It'll be really fun. And I got a gift for this guy right here. I'm gonna grab it out of my bag right now. I don't know if he's ready, guys. I'll just brighten this up real quick. Gotta...
Oh, for sure. Check that out. Oh yeah. Sony B Alpha.
Got the B Alpha. And then we got the sticker too. So remember guys, I'm doing the giveaway. You got to go to my Instagram. I'll link the video from the last time where I announced it. So if you want to get your gear, check that out for sure. So we hooked our boy up. All right, so right now I'm getting my Crane 2 set up and we're not going dual handle. We're doing this little configuration right here. So I have my small rig right there. And then we have the monitor on attachment right there. And that's really it. Super minimal run and gun type setup today. What are you rocking today?
Got the A7 III with the small rig quick release plate and the small HD monitor.
Hell yeah. That looks dope. He's going handheld. I am going gimbal. And then we'll probably switch off and do a couple things. So we're down here at Scripps Pier in San Diego. Let me lower that. That's super bright for you guys. A little hazy out, but there's usually incredible sunsets. We got some clouds up there. For those of you wondering, I'm using EOS HD today. I think there's some surf competition going down right there. And you guys will meet the girlfriend. She's in the car. So we're gonna get started right now. There she is. What's up?
Nothing much.
Say what's up to the YouTube.
Hi.
Karina, Nick, Karina.
Karina. Sorry I was so rude. I had to put makeup on.
No, you're good. You're good.
Distract.
So what's up? You ready to shoot?
Right now?
Yeah, we're gonna go around and get some B-roll.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No.
You're done?
Super with it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
You ready to shoot?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's get it. All right guys, so I'm over here with Nick, Anthony, and Carter.
Yep.
Okay, so these are the guys from LensGuard right here, and they're putting on some lens guards, some vinyls on our lenses. We're gonna get some B-roll. You guys gotta check them out. I will link everything in the description below. They're doing a little bit of a sale, so you guys want to get these. And Nick just got his lens done. Nick, show us your lens, dude.
You can put the lens head on it so you can see it meets up with it.
Look at that.
Dude, that looks so clean. It's like a ghost black camo.
It's so tight.
And then we got right over here 7200 f4 with the carbon fiber wrap. And we have the Tamron. So if you guys want to check these guys out, I'll link their Instagram below. They're throwing a sale. And yeah, time for the B-roll. So the footage that you guys saw was shot 2 weeks ago, and I want to give it at least 2 weeks to see how well these lens guards would hold up on my 16-35 and my Tamron lens. I just got back from Puerto Rico. I was out there filming a couple pro skateboarders for the week, and if you guys don't already know, Puerto Rico is very hot, humid, it rains a lot, so there's a lot of different weather conditions that I want to put through for the lens guards to see if there would be any peeling, any residue, things sticking to the edges of the guards, and so far I've had no complaints. There's no peeling on the seams. It looks awesome, and there's a couple things I want to tell you guys about if you decide to get these on how to install them as best as possible. Now, I used to do vinyl a couple years ago, back when I was into cars, and there's a couple things we could do. So when you get your lens guard, if you decide to pick one up, use my promo code, get some rubbing alcohol and spray down on a piece of paper towel the lens. Wipe it down, make sure there's no oil from your fingerprints, there's no dust, dirt, or grime. It sounds like a commercial, but I'm really not trying to sell you guys. I think these are dope. If you guys want them, get yourself them, they're sick. So once you wipe everything down, carefully place it around the lens. Now they give you extra room because you don't want the two ends to meet. You want them to overlap, because when you overlap onto the vinyl, it's gonna stick better, believe it or not. After that, if you have a heat gun or a blow dryer, just hold the heat gun probably a little bit further away, but with the blow dryer, just rotate the lens. And just get some heat going to it. What that's gonna do is make the adhesive a lot more sticky, and it's gonna stay on really nice. Now, they claim that there's no residue when you peel them, so don't worry. I think they're dope. They protect your lens. They're aesthetically pleasing to me. I went with that ghost camo. If you're into carbon fiber, if that's your thing, pick that up. And here's what I have so far. You really can't see anything at all. On my G Master lens, there's a couple bubbles that look they're very tiny. They look like braille, and that's because we didn't clean the lens when we put it there, when we put it on. So that's why I was suggesting that to you guys. But besides that, guys, I'll leave my promo code up. If you guys want to cop these, I think they look really cool. I just want to shout out the guys over at Lens Guards for connecting, and thank you. Another thing I did in Puerto Rico, I dropped my A7 III and the Tamron. Thank God for the cage that was on the body, because the cage that was on the body of the camera got messed up. And I dropped it on the hood, and my UV filter cracked. So thank God, knock on wood. And if you guys from Lens Guards are watching this, I want a snow camo or desert camo for this beast right here. It's not mine. My girlfriend bought it. She's a photographer also, but I'm gonna be doing some videos and playing with this guy too. So stay tuned. If you guys thought this video had some value, leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments below. Till next time, peace.